Got the stove all set up. Just gonna go over a little how-to start a fire in the North Shore Sauna stove. Cover some sauna basics. Got the door, just keep the damper open. You pull the ashtray out just a little bit for maximum airflow. We're going to be using the upside down method of starting a fire. And so we'll put a large piece there on the bottom, and then we'll actually put some progressively smaller pieces in as we go up. Kind of keep them crisscrossed. There's airflow. Don't stack them in there like sardines. Got some dry cedar here. Some real small kindling. Should be enough to get it started. Now the easiest way to start a fire is with a torch, but I know not everybody has a torch handy. So with the dry kindling, use a fire starter. Just kind of tuck it in there. Light that thing right on fire. Let's put maybe a couple more little pieces of kindling on the top. So that gives you an idea of how much wood to put in there just to get the fire started. Once it's rolling, we'll stoke it up even more. One aspect, very important. Want to make sure that's vertical, straight up and down. That damper in there is open, allows the smoke to flow up through the chimney unimpeded. So now we're just going to close the door and just wait a little bit for that to take off. It's been about 15 minutes. So a good amount of wood in there. I'm going to place one more. Keep her stoked.